to our mixture of sorrow and hope is to focus our attention on him. For him to stand there with that sister, to look her in the eyes and say, Martha, I'm the answer to all of this. I am the resurrection and the life. What Jesus does with the disciples is he takes that moment of death and he places it in the rank of priority in our lives. That moment of death, as dramatic as that is, he places it beneath him. And then when Jesus gets to Mary and Martha, he takes everything that they have gone through in the death and the preparation and the burial, and he says, I know what that's like, but I need you to know who I am. He places even the power of death beneath him. So he keeps drawing them to himself. I am the resurrection and the life. Death is a part of life, but Jesus is the answer to death.